GetResponse helps us tell our story. We want to be able to tell our story to our clients and our candidates, and GetResponse is one of those channels that enables us to be able to do that authentically and in a real passionate way. FloodGate Medical is a MedTech recruitment company. We operate nationwide, but are based here in Tampa, Florida.
We are the premier MedTech executive recruiting firm servicing the medical device industry.
FloodGate has been around for over 30 years now, so our marketing has evolved on a large scale over those 30 years. What's important to me in an email service provider is that it's user-friendly, that it's intuitive, that we're able to get in there, accomplish what we're looking for. Good customer service is really important as well, because admittedly there are going to be issues that come up or new things that we're trying, mistakes happen. Being able to have a good company that's receptive to feedback and to issues that arise is really important. We were working with a big name box email marketing system. For what our needs were, it wasn't working and they weren't flexible. Google led us initially to GetResponse, and specifically because they had really positive reviews. We saw them on Google, we saw them on G2, and for me, other people's words really mattered and was something that I wanted to be able to trust in. We have a newsletter that we send out monthly to 80,000 different contacts. That's inclusive of clients and candidates that we're touching them on to be able to just keep them up to date with what we're doing at FloodGate as a company, as well as what's happening within the MedTech industry. And then on top of that monthly newsletter that we send out, we have segmented lists as well that we're able to stay in the forefront of our minds for the different audience segments. So we send things specifically to HR professionals. We send things specifically to the candidates that we're trying to tap into. We have things in the segment that we sent out just to hiring managers to be able to stay at the forefront of their mind. We've been using GetResponse for a year now, and the results have been nothing short of incredible. We have doubled our open rates, which were already really high to begin with. So the fact that our deliverability went up, our open rates went up, is just an incredible feat to be able to have. The user interface is so seamless to be able to just hop on from a time management standpoint, get done what we need to get done. When there are the questions that we have, the customer service is so responsive. So our experience over the last year has been incredibly positive.
Having a partner that actually takes the time and understands what we're trying to achieve, that allows us the flexibility to reach the type of people we want so they can know about those amazing jobs, the amazing training that we have available, the new information that's happening is crucial. And previously, other companies want to put us into a box. But GetResponse took the time to hear us, have the conversation, and to adapt to the data and the information we have for us to make the impact we need for the market.